If what I am is what's in me, then I'll stay strong, that's who I'll be. And I will always be the best me that I can be. There's only one me, I admit. Have a dream, I'll follow it. It's up to me to try. Oh, I'ma keep my head up high. Keep on reaching high. I'm never gonna quit, I'll keep getting stronger. And nothing's gonna bring me down. Never gonna stop, gotta go. Because I know I'll keep getting stronger. And what I am is, 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 and what I am is. There's nothing I can't achieve because in myself I believe in those. Gonna keep our heads up high, keep on reaching high. Never gonna quit, just keep getting stronger. Ain't nothing gonna bring us down. Never giving up, gotta go. Because I know I'll keep getting stronger. What I am is, what I am is, what I am is, what I am is, what you are is, what you are is. There's nothing I can't achieve because of myself. I believe in you. Gonna hold my head up high, keep on reaching high. I'm never gonna stop, I'll keep getting stronger. Nothing's gonna bring me down. Never give it up, gotta go. Yeah, I'll keep getting stronger.
Okay, children, hopefully you've given your parents a lovely big 7-second hug. They deserve it. They've done another amazing job of looking after you guys and making sure you're doing some really good learning. And it's all getting stuck inside your head again. Yes. And hopefully you've had a little big think about your 3 good things for the week. I'm sure there's lots of things you can feel really proud of and happy about this week. So make sure you've had a chat about them as well. Now, I've got a few birthdays to announce. I'd like to say a happy 5th birthday to Olivia from Hedgehog's class. Happy birthday, Olivia. And also a happy 5th birthday to George in Dormice class. Happy birthday, George. And a happy 6th birthday to Eli in Squirrel's class. Happy birthday to all you children. I hope you had a special day with your families. Now then, children, I'm missing all you guys. I'm missing not being able to say hello and wave to each and every one of you, because your smiles and happy hellos to me each day really fill my bucket of happiness right up. So I thought over the next couple of weeks I'd have a little go at trying to catch up with you in one of your live sessions somehow. So look out for me over the next couple of weeks, and hopefully I'll be able to say hello to some of the parents as well, because I'm missing you all. I hope you're all doing okay and have had a good week. Hey, the sun's shining today. Just at the end of this message, Mr. Deer and I have carried out a little challenge for each other for the year 2 Keep Me Up. So watch out to see who the winner of that is. Hey, it was only just a bit of fun, wasn't it? We're not competitive at all. Anyway, I'll be back for my assembly and things next week. Have a really good weekend, and children, be good and be kind. It's the right thing to do. You know it is. Bye-bye, everyone. Bye. So, children, year 2 have been set a challenge to see how many keep-me-ups they can do. And so I thought I'd challenge Mr. Deer to have a go. We're going to have 3 goes each and see who can get the most. What do you reckon, children? Who's going to win? Mr. Deer, you feeling confident?
I'm not sure.
Okay. All right. Well, we flicked a coin, and it was heads Mr. Deer to go first, tails Mr. Pope. So it landed on heads, so it's over to Mr. Deer first. Okay. Good luck, Mr. Deer. Attempt number 1. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm getting very worried. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Oh, 17! Okay, so that's his first attempt. 17 to beat.
Is it your first attempt?
Yeah, my first attempt. Here we go. I'm never going to be able to. I've never done 17 in my life. Anyway, we'll have a go. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Ah.
Oh, Mr.
6.
Pope.
Okay, Mr. D's second attempt.
It's all about practice.
Yeah, I know. I'll be back in a few weeks. I'll get to 20. Right, here we go. Attempt number 2, Mr. D. He's showing off now. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 24!
Wow.
Right, maybe I should concentrate on my personal best of beating 6 then, children. Because the chances of me getting to 24 are slim. I'm more of a runner.
This
You know?
week, but you could get to 24
Well,
next
not
week.
yet. Exactly, not 24 yet. Okay, here we go. Attempt number 2. Ah! 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26.
Wow.
No pressure, Mr. Deer. A bit of a hustle there.
Yeah, I feel like I've been hustled.
that was a good one. That was a good one, to be fair. Okay. Attempt number 3. He's going to get to see triple figures now. 4. Ah! We're allowed to have a bonus one, I think. Come on, anything under 4.
It's the pressure.
He's buckling under the pressure, see? Come on then. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17.
It's the pressure.
Thank you, children. See? There you go. We did it. Anyway, you can have a go. See how many you can get to. Woohoo! I don't need my third attempt, do I, everyone? No, only took me 2 goes.
Rematch next week.
We got more. I'm going to challenge Mr. Deer and some of the other teachers to more things as we go. Anyway, bye for now, children.